こんにちは皆さん。クリスマスを楽しんでいますか? My injuries are better day by day. My left collarbone is still broken, but I make some new exam with some doctor in Paris, and everything is on the good way to be very well. The fracture of my skull too. I see some neurologist and some doctor in Paris also. I will need a time for sure, but my mind is very good. I'm better day by day, and I'm looking forward to can come back on the race course and ride my lovely horses. Yeah, I'm je vais dire un autre truc. I start my rehabilitation the next week with a special doctor. I will try to move my arm because I can just move a little bit. So I will start to work and make a big movement, like when I will ride on my horse. So I don't know exactly when I will can ride again, but I will do my best and come back earlier possible. But I will take a time and take care of myself because the accident was dangerous for my body, and I think you can completely understand me for that. So, shinpai shinaide kudasai. Watashi wa daijoubu desu. The Japan Cup 2021 was amazing. Contrail won very easily. He's a real champion, one of the best horses in Japan. Every time he's very strong. Yeah, he's fantastic. But like his father, Deep Impact, they are similar and they are spectacular every time. So I'm very happy Contrail become a stallion for the next year. I'm looking forward to see his baby. About Sodashi, the last time it was the first time for her on the dirt, so maybe she didn't like it. So I'm looking forward to see her run again and win again on the turf the next year. The Urma記念coming soon. I hope the challenge will be very fantastic, and I'm looking forward to see Chrono Genesis run again, because the last time on the Arc de Triomphe she ran very well, and now she come back at home. She's in a good shape for sure. So Chrono Genesis will be my favorite on the Urma記念. Thank you so much, fans, for your message. It was very important for me and very comforting. Really a big thank you to you. I'm looking forward to can go back in Japan next year. I really hope, because it's still my dream to can go back there. Itsumo arigatou gozaimasu. Hayaku keiba ni noritai desu. 応援してください。